Peace and blessings, my sister. I trust that you are well.
Peace and blessings, Lioness. I'm good. How about you?
Healthy and wise. Bubbles, I'm reaching out because I had a conversation with Mr. Mullins, and he told me about what happened between the two of you.
So him tell you about that?
I understand the roller coaster of emotions that you must be going through right now. But Bubbles, I need you to stay the course.
That's a tall order, Lioness. This situation has been playing on my mental health. From I heard it, it's hard to focus.
I get that.
Mr. Mullins is the last person I expected to deceive me.
But was it really deception, though?
What would you call it?
One friend honoring the wishes of another?
So what about me? Them did I think about me?
Let me ask you something then. Did you know about this too?
Only recently. After you were reinstated, it hurt me to keep it from you, but I had to.
The man reached out to me from his grave.
Yeah, that's how the ancestors were. Look, they wanted you to know the truth.
Now I feel bad.
I can understand that. However, take comfort in knowing that your father was a hero. He saved so many young girls' lives.
I guess in some ways he saved me too.
Yes, he did, Bubbles. Look, we Kadaga warriors are protectors. We are chosen. And you are a part of that circle, just like your father was. You owe it to him, sister, to finish the work that he started. We need you. We need you back on track.
Yes.
Good.
I guess I'll go see Mr. Mullins.
No. He'll come see you.
When?
Now.
Who is it?
Just an old man seeking food and shelter.
Maybe up my back door. You will not sneak up on me again. You can have a seat, sir.
I know, but I'm more concerned about your current state of mind.
Honestly, still in a state of confusion.
I can imagine.
I just spoke to Lioness.
I know. I was the one who asked her to call you.
Why?
I thought you would listen to reason if it came from a woman. Did it work?
Yes, it did. That's why you're here?
I'm here in two capacities. As a father, like I promised my best friend I would be to you. And as a proud leader who knows exactly how important you are to the organization I lead.
What about the boss who's disappointed in the agent that always goes off the reservation?
Tell me something. You really think that I got to where I am by following all the rules? But I learned that I had to deal with the consequences.
Me, I learned that the hard way.
Well, you know what they say. God gives his hardest battles to his strongest soldiers.